All right, so to begin simplifying this expression, we want to first just write the denominator as one fraction. So that means that this x, we're going to make it have the same denominator of 2. So that means we're just going to multiply it by 2 over 2. Because multiplying by 2 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 1. And then you have 2x over 2 minus 1 over 2. Then what that means is that you can combine them. So you just have 2x minus 1 all over 2 in the denominator. So then you have a fraction there. And the numerator, you can just interpret it as a fraction where it's x over 1. And then from here, you can just simply expand it or simplify it by multiplying the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. So then what you get is x over 1 times 2 over 2x minus 1. And then all you got on top is then 2x over 2x minus 1. That'll be your final answer for that one. All right, number 2. Now we have both the numerator and denominators where you want to combine the fractions. So then for actually both of them, they both are going to have common denominators of x. So we're going to multiply this 4 by an x over x. So it's like 4 over 1 times x over x. And this 2, think of it as like 2 over 1 times an x over x. Because again, an x over x is just like multiplying by 1. And then so what you have now is just 1 plus 4x all over x. And then in denominator, you just have 1 minus 2x all over x. And then now we just simplify by multiplying the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. And you'll go 1 plus 4x over x multiplied by x over 1 minus 2x. These x's cancel. And all you're left with is then 1 plus 4x all over 1 minus 2x. And then for number 3, it's very similar to number 2. You're going to make both of these numerators and denominators are both basically the top and bottom, both have a common denominator of x. So we're going to multiply this x, think of it as x over 1, by an x over x again. And multiply this x, think of it as x over 1 by an x over x. And what you get is x squared minus 1 all over x. And then here we have x squared plus 1 all over x. And then again, we multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. Just like we did in the previous one. And you're going to see the x's cancel again. And then you're just left with x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1. And that's all there is to it.